What's up guys, I am Subha Malik and I am making this video to let you know about the launch of Time Worksheets Generator. It will live in 1 hour of sharing this video. It is an amazing cloud-based app by Niranjan and team, the creators of Math Worksheets Generator that was a huge success. And they have also released a couple of other amazing KDP tools to help KDP publishers like you to create quality and unique workbooks and low content and medium content books for Amazon KDP. Time Worksheets Generator allows you to create over 400 unique time-telling practice workbooks that you can publish on Amazon KDP to earn passive income online. Without further ado, let's just dive in and see the various versions and features of this amazing Time Worksheets generators. So let's get started. This KDP tool comes with 3 versions: Time Worksheets Generator Front End, Time Worksheets Generator Pro here, and Time Worksheets Generator Premium. So let me show you each version with you, and let also check out the pricing and features of this Time Worksheets Generator. So this is the first one, Time Worksheets Generator Front End version. It allows you to create over 400 different types of time-telling worksheets. Like you can see, this is 417. So you can create 417 different variations of time-telling worksheets inside the front end version. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check out the details as well. So if you buy through my link, I will also share a bonus, that is mini course about creating stunning covers for time-telling worksheets using Canva for free. You will have access to the bonus on or before 22nd of this month. I have also written a detailed blog post about this software as well. You can check out the link below in the description of this video. So let's get started. This is the front end version. You can see here there are a ton of different templates for creating time worksheets. So I have created a few one. This is time telling worksheets and it is by o'clock, I mean the whole hour. Like this is 7 o'clock, this is 6 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock. It also comes with the solution option. Then is the half past worksheets, that is the half past 7, half past 9, like this. There are variations of worksheets. The third one is quarter past worksheets, you can see here, and the fourth one is quarter to worksheets. In addition to these worksheets, there are also various types of customizations inside these time telling worksheets, like tell the time by drawing clock hands. Here you can see the hands are missing and the time is written below each clock, so the users or the students can read the time and draw hands so that they can practice telling time in a better way. Circle the correct time. You can see here there are different times are given below the clock and student can circle the correct time. In addition to these worksheets, they have options to create worksheets for with a 1 minute interval, 5 minute interval. You can see here there are variations of worksheets, like if you can delete this one and create a new one here from scratch. Like we want to create this one. This is a certain time past an hour. Like you can see here 5 minutes past 4, 20 minutes past 1 and 5 minutes past 4 o'clock. You can change the size and you can change or do a lot of customization to these worksheets using setting page. So there are also features like you can go here and change the trim size, like 8.5 into 11. I have selected this one. You can change different trim sizes. You can change the page numbers and this page number start at. You can also change the center line, the page number. They also have options to show margins, like I have set the margins like this one. These are by default. You can change the margins and click on the button here to show the page margins, and click on update. You will also see the margins here. You will also have the option to add text, like here this. You can add custom text here if you want to. They have also options to modify or change these worksheets, like if you want to add 3 rows and 3 columns, you can change here and then click on the update worksheet and it will auto update. And you can see here there are 3 rows and 3 columns. You can also change the grid item width, grid item height, like if we move the slider here and it will change the width accordingly. They also have row spacing option. If you want to create more space between rows, you can change that as well. Column spacing option is available here. There are a lot of options you will receive with this time worksheet generator. Like you can change the hour hand length. You can move the cursor and then click on the update sheet and it will change the length of hour hand. Similarly, you can change the thickness of the hour hand like this. You can also change the color of the hour hand here like this one. There are a lot of options available in the front end version as well. You can change the length of the minute hand like this one, and you can also change the thickness of the minute hand like this. You can change the color of the minute hand like this, and you can, it will take hours and hours to go through all the details and feature of this software because it includes a lot of them. You can change the answer line style like add solid. This is the solid line, this is dashed one, and this is dotted one. You can change the answer area line color as well like this. Click on the solid and you will see the line here. There are a lot of options here. You can change the solution style here, like you can change, click on none, you can click on line, you can click on box, it will show a box here. You can click on circle and it will show a circle here. So there are a lot of customizations you can do inside the front end version as well. And you will have a download option here, and you can download as PNG, JPEG and PDF. Also, you can regenerate the data on a given page here by clicking on this regenerate button. You can change the font size. Also, you can change the font and you can select a different font like Poppins, or the font will be changed on the clocks. There are a lot of options with the style and look and feel of the clocks. You can see this is another look and feel of the time worksheet. You can see there is a box instead of a line. Also, you can change these settings right from the by clicking on this, and from the left side options, like there is options to change the answer style like this one, circle. If you want to click, yes, it will show the circle here. If you want to add line, you can click on line and click on the update, and it will show as a line, as dashed line. You can change the line setting as well as dotted. You can change the line setting as solid. So there are a lot of options you can do inside the front end versions. Front end version only comes with options of download as PNG, JPEG and PDF. So you can also have a add page here and a clone page feature here, like you can click on the clone page and it will regenerate and add a new page here. The data will be totally changed from the previous page. Simply it will create a new page or new worksheet page for you. Let's add the margin here and page numbers here again. So you can change the size of these here. You can change the font size as well. You can add text over here by adding a simple drag and drop text box. There is another option to add a clock. If you want to add, like here, this is the blank page here, and go back to here elements options, and there is only one element, that is clock, and you can click on the time here 1 hour, and I can add 15 minutes, and I'll click on the update and it will change the time here. So let me check. Similarly, I can add another clock here and change the time, like click on the element clock, add another clock here and resize it and move it here, and I can change the time here by clicking on the clock and set the hours to 12 and click here. It is 12, and if I can write 20 here as minute, and it will add the 20 and adjust the clock as well. So you have an option to create your own clocks and own time worksheets. So there are a lot of options. Click on the filter here. You can see 2 hour, to the half hour, to the quarter, to the minute. Click on the minute and then the analog clock here. And you will see these are the analog clocks here. Let's add a blank page here. This is the blank page. You can just go to the filter options and click on the, just remove these. Let's check the clock type as digital and then answer style as line and the answer border style as solid. These are the filters you can use to quickly search through these styles of the clock, and I want to add as 2 hour. This would be O clock option. Under these filters there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different styles, and if you want to change these filters, and check this one, and I want to add as the half hour, and with the half hour I will have access to these styles, and I can add one of these on my page here. So there are a lot of options even with the front end version. It has download limit of 100 downloads per month, and you can create 100 worksheets, and so you can import these worksheet or pages into any design software like Photoshop, Affinity Designer or Canva, and customize your worksheets as well. This is all about front end version. Let's just move on to the next upgrade, that is the Pro version. This is Time Worksheets Generator Pro. Just click on the Access and it will take you to this page. Click on the default collection, and here we will have some more options. Like you can see here, previously we have 417, now we have 460 different styles and look and feel of the clocks or time telling worksheets. Like you can see, this is another style of telling the time worksheets. Almost 40 additional niches or different styles you can cover using this upgrade, that is Pro. It has also an option to upload your own images. Just click on the upload button and you can upload your own images. Let me add my own. Just click on the upload option, and I have added 2 images here, and I can insert here. It will be right there on the page. I'm going to do these options here for you. Page number 1 and starting at 1, and show the margin here. So the options it had is adding text here, like let's tell the time. Okay, you can resize the text box like this and place it here. The option Pro version gives is the changing the color of this whole worksheet. You can click here on the color option and change any colors you want to. I'm selecting the blue one. Now you can go back here and add a different styles of time worksheets you want to add here. I'm going to add this one, so it has added here. I want to add the rows as 3, so it will change automatically. Just zoom in to 25%. Like you can see, it has created a stunning time worksheet. Now you can duplicate this page. This is another Pro version feature, that is the bulk clone feature. You can click on the bulk clone feature and duplicate this page for 10 times or 9 times to create 10 different pages, clone pages. We will have 10 different types of pages, totally change from the first one. You can see here it has automatically added 10 different pages. This is a feature of Pro version, that is bulk clone feature. Then is a single clone feature is also available. Then is bulk delete options. Then is an option to download the files as PPTX. This is another Pro version feature. You can download all this worksheets as a PowerPoint file and edit them later on. This works as a backup file for you. With the Pro version, there are additional types of time worksheets you can create. Just click on the filter and you can see here we have to the minute interval, elapsed time, 12-hour, 24-hour conversion, time addition and subtraction, show to the minute, and time. Just check out this time elapsed here, and we want to add as the analog clock and line, and this is solid. So these are my filters. I can click on this one and it will create a time elapsed worksheet for me. I can reduce the number of rows to 3 like this, and then move this down here. This is, you can see here, student need to tell the difference between these two clocks. So this is the time lapse. Let's check out another one. Let's delete this one first, and we will have filter here, and just uncheck the time lapsed, and we will want to add the to the minute interval. This is to the minute interval option here. You can see, just click on this one and reduce the rows to 3, update, and just move it down here. We will also have the option to show solutions like this one, and it will tell us what the time is. 28 minutes past 6, 27 minutes past 5, 12 minutes past 2, and we can also hide the solutions here. Once you have created a bunch of time worksheets, you can click here on the I button here and it will add a solution page. Click on generate solutions and then go back to your worksheets here, and then we can check out the solutions toward the end. You can see solutions have been added. This was the Pro version. The features that are on top of the front version include the bulk color option. Like you can select here and change the color of the whole worksheet here. It changes the solution color here. Like you can click on the red and it will add the solution color to red here. The other color options are also available in the front end version. The second feature of the Pro version is the randomized pages. Just click on here and it will randomize the pages. The third is the bulk clone feature. You can clone as many pages as you want to. The fourth is the unlimited download. You will not have any download limit per month. The fifth is download as PowerPoint files. So let's move on to our next upgrade, that is premium. So this is the time worksheets generator premium version. Let's access here default collection. Here we are on our previous page we have created in the Pro version. So the features include the images feature. First one, you will have access to 100 unique borders and then 100 unique art or images that you can use on the worksheets. Like I want to use here an image. Let me delete mine. Here I can delete this one and I can go here and add an image from this library here. 100 images for kids. Like I can click on this one. It will add an image onto page right away. So we can reduce this size and place it like here, and this is here. Another feature is different types of frames, 10 farm frames, 10 jungle frames, and there are mermaids and princess, monster trucks. Like we can add the monster trucks here, view mode and more. So let's click on this one here. This is the monster truck here, and it will add a margin to the pages here. We have the option to push backwards. We have access to our text here. Now we can reduce the size here and place it in the middle here, and let's see our work. In this way you can create stunning worksheets using the premium feature, as this gives you access to 100 premium borders and 100 premium art images for kids that kids will love. It has the ability to create a storytelling time worksheets for kids. So these are the beautiful borders here. Let's see if we have any additional worksheets here. These are the same as we have saw in the Pro version. And you can use this filter. You can add the 5-minute and then the digital clock here and the line here and this solid here, and it will show you the filter option here. You can click on this one and change the rows to 3 as well. And here we go. Reduce the size to fit in within the border here like this. And here we have added our worksheet. This area is missing here. Increase the width of the worksheet here and it will show. And here we can increase the size. And let's see, the train is added on our page, and we can reduce the size of the border as well to see the page numbers below this border. You can download the individual pages here, and you can also download the whole worksheet here as PowerPoint, PDF, JPEG and PNG. So these are some additional features of the premium version. It gives you access to a lot of more niches because we can add different types of borders and different types of images here. We have access to professionally created images and borders here, and this is where you can create a storytelling time worksheets for kids. When it comes to pricing, the front end version is $47 during the launch period, and after launch it would be $97. The Pro version is $67, and after the launch I think it will go on to $97 as well, and the premium version after the launch would be $97. So you have 4 days starting from 11th of November, that is today. 1 hour after sharing this video, you will have access to these discounted prices for 4 days, like 11th to 14th of November 2022. After the launch, every version would be $97. If you purchase this time worksheets generator through my link, I will also give you access to my mini course about creating stunning covers within Canva for your time workbooks. Do check out the link in the description below. That is all from me today. I'll see you in the next video.